we'll guide you through how to make night vision effect in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Lightroom on your PC to begin editing the photo. Once Lightroom is launched, import the photo you want to edit into the application. After the photo has been imported successfully, select the image from the library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing workspace and all available adjustment tools. When the Develop module opens, locate and open the Basic panel to begin making the primary lighting adjustments. Increase the exposure slightly to brighten the overall image while maintaining a natural balance. After adjusting the exposure, reduce the contrast to soften the difference between the bright and dark areas, creating a flatter appearance that complements the green color grading. Once the basic adjustments are complete, open the calibration to refine the colors in the image. Increase the green saturation to make green tones appear richer and more vibrant throughout the photo. Continue by reducing the red and blue saturation to minimize those color channels and allow the green tones to become the dominant feature of the image. Adjust the saturation levels gradually until the overall color balance produces the desired look. After completing the HSL adjustments, open the color grading panel to enhance the atmosphere of the photo. Add a green tint to the shadows by adjusting the shadow color wheel until the darker areas display a subtle green tone. Next, add a green tint to the highlights by adjusting the highlight color wheel so the brighter areas also carry a gentle green color. Open the Effects panel to apply the finishing touch. Add grain if needed to introduce a subtle film-like texture that enhances the overall style of the edited photo.